Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we're going to take a look at something everybody knows about right here in the beginning. I mean, you really don't know, how should I say, true horror once your kids lose one of those. But I got something I found that's really, really unique. I'm going to take a look at it right after we roll that intro. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now as you see, I've kind of dimmed the lights here in the area. That's because we're going to take a look at UV Paqlite reusable glow sticks, not grow. My god, I need caffeine. Alright, now if you've done survival, or if you've been in the military, or hell, even if you just have young kids, you know, my kids absolutely love these things. They cannot get enough of them. And every time we go to Walmart or we're by a store, they're like, Daddy, 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 can we have, can we have, can we have? They're real simple. Break, snap, shake, and you now have light for about a good, I'm going to say 8 hours. It won't be at that consistency for 8 hours, but, you know, you're going to have some kind of light. Now, I know I've brought these to the channel before. You know, battery-operated glow sticks. They even have the little flashlight. Now, the only downside to this, to be honest, batteries are expensive, okay? Granted, these are $1 a pop, but after a while, they start to add up, and they start to fill up landfills. Batteries are expensive. And not to mention, I know you probably can't see it too well, you have to have a little screwdriver, unscrew that, get in there, and, you know, try not to break anything. But I saw a video from Doc P91B, and he was undoing a, I believe it was a shit hit the fan box. And in there was a UV Paqlite. Okay? One of these guys. Now I know I'm catching some ambient light from back there, so it's not glowing as bright as, well, that is, but this one is, you know, chemical stuff. This one's basically glow in the dark. Okay? I went, all right, I need to bring one of those to my channel. So now let me relight the area a little bit. Okay. Now, what I like about these is there's no waste. So when it's burned through its charge, you don't need to throw it away. It will recharge off of any freaking light, period. You know? You can keep using, keep using, keep using. Now, the recharge time is about 1 minute in sunlight, 5 to 10 minutes for a little ambient light like this, you know, your overhead lights and whatnot. And what got me is they're like 3 to 10 seconds with an LED flashlight. So we're going to test that out. Now, hold on a second while I go find that flashlight. Okay, so I went and killed a bunch of the lights. Now, nothing special. We saw this before on BattleBox's brand new, you know, welcome box. So let's just shorten that up. Okay, so yeah, that increased everything beautifully. Now, the one thing I think is cool about these guys, it's not going to stay at this consistency all night. Kind of like, you know, these guys, it will burn out. The only weird part is that will burn out a heck of a lot quicker than its counterpart. The reasoning behind it with UV Paqlite is as it gets darker, you don't need as much light. So your eyes adjust a heck of a lot quicker, and that's why they made it a little bit duller. So as you see, I'm laying out some other stuff because in essence, I bought something from them twice. Let's move this up a little. Now, after I saw Doc P's video, I went, okay, I've got to get some of these. I bought a 3-pack of the, I believe they're 6-inch chem lights, and I believe that was right around 20 bucks. And then, when I was doing some other checking, I found what they called their camp pack, or their scout pack, I believe it's called, which had another chem light, a necklace, a little marker, and as they call it, the little camp light. So, now, your usual chem light's only going to glow for about 8-9 hours. Unless you throw it in the freezer, and that's going to extend the life out because it's chemically activated. Okay? These guys will glow for about 10 hours. Now, not at a very high rate, like I said. And what I really cool is the internal material. It never wears out or degrades over time. It's non-toxic, non-radioactive, waterproof, durable, and glows in any temperature. So if it's really hot outside, it'll do it. If it's really cold outside, it's going to do it. The only thing I had a huge concern on is I have young kids, okay? I love giving them to this as rewards. That way they go in their room and they have their little nighttime battles, but little kids biting through stuff. So, that's been a fear of mine since I had it, but I see really good applications in these. A reusable chem light. Guys, you buy it once, you're done for the rest of your life. Now, what I like is over on UV Paqlite's website, which I believe is uvpaqlite.com, the Scout Pack is $20. And like I said, I bought it on Amazon for like $22. The rating over on UV Paqlite is 5 out of 5. Over on Amazon, it's got like 68 reviews, and it's got a 4.2 out of 5 stars. The biggest thing people knocked it down on, and I'll be honest, I get it, is its glow time. They were really upset that it wasn't super bright, the whole night long. And as you can see by this little time of me talking to you on the video, these look like they're already degrading a little. You can still see them, okay? And in the middle of the night, it's going to be great. And this is why I like this. They call this basically their little camp thing. Well, the tent thing, so you have a light in your tent. I think they've got a great real world value for survival, but I'd like to know what you think. Leave me your questions, your comments, your complaints down below. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for giving me a moment of your day today. You're going to see a symbol popping up right down here. That's going to be my company logo. Go ahead, click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've clicked on subscribe, I beg you, click on that bell icon that is right next to it. That way you're going to be notified every single time we upload a video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 of them are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube has selected from my catalog that they think is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at the UV Paqlite reusable glow sticks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.